Guys, doing a video on some 12 valve stuff. Had lots of people ask about hat style seals and why to run them, why they should run them, why doesn't it fit my head, how come it fits some heads and doesn't fit other heads. So I'll do a quick video on this. So here's just a run-of-the-mill. This head's no good. I actually dug it out of the scrap bin to show you guys. So here's stock style valve seal for the early models. Now, to be totally honest, that the year that they started doing hat style ones, top hat style, which is this style, is kind of a mystery, because I've seen this style in the early 2000s and I've seen this style in the late 90s. So I don't know if it was depending on what factory the head was built in or what the deal is. But anyways, so this is the style when we rebuild them. This is the style we use, and the reason for that is these ones like to pop off, especially under higher horsepower applications. You get into higher boost numbers, these like to pop off because you can see here one installed there. There's nothing that retains it on there other than the material, the rubber inside. So if you have one of these, it fits on there like that. I don't want to shove it on there because I don't want to wreck the seal, but it's actually held down by the spring, so it can't come off. So much better. Now, issue is that you do have to, if the head has this shoulder on it, it has to be machined off to fit them. Now, so if you're going to do that, the head does have to come off to be done. Otherwise you can't do it, obviously. So that's on this head. Now I'll show you one there. Again, another scrap one we have sitting here that we use for mock-up sometimes. But if you look at that one, that's a later model one, and you can actually use that one with this style seal, this style, top hat style, or you can use it with this style. I personally wouldn't use these, the original style. If you can just put these ones on, it doesn't make sense to me. So, but anyways, that's a short explanation. Hit me up if you have some ideas of stuff you want me to do. Like and subscribe, and I'll keep the info coming. Thanks, guys.